Silence your oil change anxiety. What is... This is an ad from Valvoline oil changes.
Surprise, it's me, your oil change light. Here to ruin your day. Remember that last mechanic who sold you stuff you didn't need and took 3 long, boring hours? Did you trust him? Do you trust anyone anymore? What do I know? I'm just a...
That won't be hassling you anymore.
Silence your oil change anxiety at Valvoline Instant Oil Change.
Not had this
where we do
experience
stress-free
before.
oil change in about 15 minutes. Thanks for coming in. And a free 18-point maintenance check. Valvoline, savers you can see, experts you can trust.
Okay. That was... I like the music they played at the beginning. Oh, the comment, hey, it's me, your dry skin, from that, I don't remember the brand, but I remember that, lotion ad. Let's look that up.
Hey, it's me, your dry skin.